gonna repeat for 2 more times. Shoot throughs are next. So this is upper body and core workout at the same time. So again, going in that plank position. So from here, hands underneath your shoulders. Again, starting that 4-point hold that I showed you guys earlier. From here, 4-point hold. You're gonna bring one leg underneath. Keep this leg on the ground. One leg underneath, in line with the hip. Arm out, open up, and then back. So opposite side, through, align with the hip with the leg, and then to the other side. I'm gonna alternate back and forth. All right, so let's get ready to do this in 3, 2, 1, go. If you need to slow this down, you do not have to go as fast as me. If you need to slow it down to work on your form, you are more than welcome to do so. Good job, halfway there, 15 seconds. Keep going, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job.